We're going to need the following ingredients to make hard yolk with Fricrema: egg yolk, sugar, glucose syrup, and citric acid. Programming a process in Fricrema is very easy. We will enter the recipe section where we will personalize the name of each process. Let's program the hard yolk recipe. We start the process by mixing for 5 minutes with the mixing speed set to max at 100% continuous. As we can see, we have the pause key, and therefore we would not go to the next step. Let's open the next step. We select the heating program at 98 degrees centigrade for 2 minutes. We set the mixing speed to 60 continuous. We now go to the third step with a cold program. Reducing the temperature to 60 degrees centigrade and a mixing speed of 60% with reverse spin. We now go to the fourth step. We continue dropping the temperature to 35 degrees centigrade, reducing the friction in the product. We program the mixing speed at 40 with an intermittent spin. We now go to the fifth and last step with a cold temperature of 10 degrees centigrade, where the speed would be 30 with an intermittent spin. We finished the recipe with a step 0 for programming the heat and cold power, which in this case would be a heat of 8 and cold of 6. In the intermittent spin, we will program the start at 30 and the stop at 30 as well. At the reverse spin, we select 30 to the right and 60 to the left, and consider the recipe completed. We begin to add the pasteurized yolk, followed by the glucose. We pour in the citric acid. And finally, we add the sugar and start the cycle. Using the hard yolk we have made with Fricrema, we're going to make Santa Clara yolks. We coat the yolk portions with sugar. We arrange in petit four, and we burn it with the hot blade.